Hello, I'm Valerie White, Director of Public Health at NHS Dumfries and Galloway. Today sees the lifting of many of the legal restrictions that we have been living under during this COVID-19 pandemic. It really has been an incredibly challenging time for so many of us, and it is nice to be seeing that we are seeing some light at the end of the tunnel. So it's a really welcome day, but I think one thing that I have to highlight is that COVID-19 does still pose us risks, and we still need to work together to keep each other safe. And the things that we can do are of course, first and foremost, take up that offer for vaccination, particularly that second dose, which gives the maximum protection. It is without question that we are where we are today because of the success of the vaccination programme, and thank you, each and every one of you, for coming forward and taking up that offer. Secondly, if you do develop symptoms of coronavirus, it's really important that you self-isolate and book a PCR test. PCR tests are the best tests if you have any symptoms. You can also help by undertaking twice weekly lateral flow tests. If you don't have any symptoms of coronavirus, that can help us pick up any asymptomatic cases that are in the community, so we can help to stop the chains of transmission. So there's lots of opportunities to access lateral flow kits, and that is a really helpful thing that we can help to do to suppress rates in the community. Unfortunately, if you do develop coronavirus and are diagnosed with it, you must still self-isolate for a period of 10 days. We are still following up on close contacts, and so Test and Protect will be in touch with you if you have been identified as a close contact. But the way we are managing contacts is changing, so please do follow the advice that you're given by the Test and Protect team if you're identified as a close contact. There are still some legal restrictions in place, so please continue to follow them. This includes continuing to use face coverings in many indoor spaces, and that really does help protect others. Also, if you're meeting up, do try where possible and meet up outdoors. That really does reduce the risk of transmission if you're in an outdoor setting. And if you are meeting up indoors, try and make sure it's not a crowded space, that there's good ventilation. So simple things like opening doors and windows can help improve ventilation. Also, whilst it's no longer a legal requirement, physical distancing is still an important measure to reduce transmission of the virus, because the virus transmits by people being in close contact. So please don't be offended if you bump into me and I do take a few steps back, because I'll still be trying to keep 2 metres away. It is a sensible precaution to take. As you know, washing your hands, really good hand hygiene, cleaning surfaces regularly, catching coughs and sneezes, that is really important as well, not just for preventing spread of coronavirus but other infections as well. I know that this has been a long time coming. I know that many people have made very many sacrifices along this journey. So thank you so much for everything that you have done. Please do enjoy the greater sense of normality that will start. People will be starting to feel, but please continue to do it, and continue to do it safely. Thank you.